Oh my goodness.
Wow.
My goodness.
That's cool, yeah.
Oh.
Let's get a little photo of that. Hit that face again. Come on. If
Hey,
not,
then
Uncle Mike will do it
you're
for you. Let's
leader.
go. She's got to be all natural. Justin. Hit that face.
Everybody has their hands in there. Caitlin. Oh, jeez.
Ay, oh.
Uh-oh.
Sit down, Justin. Sit down, buddy.
Oh,
Yes,
jeez.
What happened?
That's enough, right?
No, he's playing. Let him play a little, honey. They're only kids. Come on, only one
He's just
more
going to
year.
take a big bite out of it.
Will you guys start eating some of this, guys, or what are we doing?
Oh, they're gonna stand up now.
Okay, let me see your hand.
You're okay.